AI, friend or foe to product managers? Ever wondered if AI is coming for your product management job? Let's dive into how AI is impacting the role and what it means for the future. AI excels at analyzing massive datasets, identifying user behavior patterns, and predicting market trends. This allows for data-driven decisions and faster iteration cycles. Think of AI as a superpowered research assistant, providing insights at lightning speed. While AI can automate tasks and provide data, it lacks crucial human skills. Product managers need empathy, creativity, and the ability to build relationships with stakeholders. These are areas where AI simply can't compete. The most likely scenario is a collaboration between AI and product managers. AI handles the data crunching, while PMs focus on strategy, vision, and user understanding. This synergy can lead to better products and more efficient workflows. Is AI a threat or an opportunity for product managers? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Let's discuss the future of AI in product.